Alright, and I'm going to aim this. It's Keslie's video. I'm going to aim this so that you can see kind of both. So I'm going to, what I want you to do with the right hand is take your pick, remember how you held it, at right angle to the thumb, and then I want you to take and just pick down on the 6th string. You can anchor your little wrist here if you want to. I don't know how important it is this very first week, but then we're going to, that's called a rest stroke, because it rests on the next string down. Okay? Okay? I did it 4 times, but I'm not doing anything with my left hand, so it's the same note. So now I'm going to take my index finger. I'm going to have 1 finger per fret here. I'm going to go open, first finger in the 1st fret, 2nd finger in the 2nd fret, and you don't have to hold them down behind or anything. 3rd finger in the 3rd fret. But you might find that if you, there's my little finger down on that 4th fret, you might find that if you kind of put these down right behind it, you can kind of use them to add strength, okay? So that'll be okay, but I just want you, I want to hear this next week. And it doesn't have to be that fast. I just want to hear you getting notes on the way up and notes on the way down. That will give you an idea of how hard you have to press down. All right, you kind of start you out and get these fingers going. Also getting you using the pick a little bit. Then we had the chord chart there, and we had the A with a little 5 over it. That's the first chord we're going to learn, and that's an A power chord, and it looks like this. So also you see that there's a little 2nd on the where the usually the nut is. So these chord charts are great for if I teach you basic G, C stuff. They're great for that, but we're playing up at the 5th fret. There's not enough frets, so I'm marking that nut as the 2nd fret, and then you'll see a dot in the 3rd fret, and a dot 2 frets up at the 5th fret, which is where we're starting our chord with our index finger on the 6th string. Okay, index finger on the 6th string, there it is. And I don't care if you actually get a notes out of these or not. Like I said, I want you to get the shapes. And then we're using our 3rd finger, which I had to double up and write down here. I wrote it again because it was such bad handwriting. And then we have, so there's that 2nd one, looks like this, and then our little finger goes on the 4th string at the 7th fret. So we have this shape right here, there, and there with the pinky on the 6th, 5th, and 4th strings. And this 3rd finger, this 2nd finger of mine, is just wherever it's relaxed. I don't have to hold it out. Please don't. That doesn't look good. Okay, and I'm going to hold this middle finger is just going to ride wherever it's comfortable. Okay. Then we take that shape and we move it down. You see where it says D5, and that is a D power chord. And all we're doing is moving it down 1 string to the 5th, 4th, and 3rd strings. Okay, and again, that middle finger is just riding. That's the shape, and that shape is what we're going to be using whether we play it here at starting at the 6th string, or here starting at the 5th string, or if we move everything up a fret and play it at the 6th fret. So what's going to happen is our index finger is going to be in one place on one of these low strings, and our 3rd and 4th fingers are going to be 2 frets up, right, on the next strings below them. All right. So, and then when we can make clean chords, it'll sound like here's the A power chord, here's the D power chord, and then this week what I want you to do, instead of trying to get clean, if you can get a clean chord, fine, but I want you to go ahead and move this shape up and keep them 2 frets apart like that. So here we go, 2 frets apart, and you'll notice as you get higher and higher, the frets get closer together, so they get easier. So if you start down here in the 5th fret and it's hard, I want you to go ahead and just slide up and do that same relationship. Index finger, and then the 3rd and 4th finger up 2 frets on the next 2 strings down. You understand what I'm saying? Kind of? Alright, so I think that's enough for the first week. And remember, when I say the 6th string, we count from 1st string, 2nd string, 3rd string, 4th string, 5th string, 6th string, the opposite of what we would think, right? And so this low note is the 6th string. All right. And I think that'll be good for now. I think that's, oh, the spider. I did the spider on here already? No. Huh? Okay, I want to do the spider on here. So we're going to do this rest stroke here on the 6th string. And then what I want to do is 1 finger per fret. Oh, I did do this. I'll do it again. 1 finger per fret. So 3rd finger, 3rd fret. 4th finger, 4th fret. And the reason I remember is you can hold down, you can use these other fingers behind it to kind of help you hold it down. So that's what it sounds like when I do it fast. You don't have to do it that fast. Then you do it in the rest stroke on the 5th string. Alright, just like that. You do that every string. Alright, and that's going to get your left hand fingers stronger. It's fast. That's the fastest way I know to do it. Alright, I think that'll do it.